Welcome back to EdDoesTechEd, where you learn stuff about tech. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing today, something I was super excited about. After I purchased, I was kind of giddy. I don't know why, it's kind of weird, right? But this is gonna be a water filtration system. This is called the Waterdrop, Waterdrop WD-TKFS Gravity Fed Water Filter System. Stainless steel system. I got this one. I've been looking at these water filtration systems for a while. I got it from Amazon. Well, I got this one from eBay. I was looking on Amazon for the Berkey. The Berkey's super expensive. Over these past few years, it's actually gotten even more expensive. It's around, the one I want is around $399. This one was $299 on Amazon, and the thing is, I got it from eBay for about $100 less than I would have on Amazon. And the thing is, I got it from Waterdrop, but it was like almost their fundraising account on eBay. And I don't know, I'm excited about this. My wife, she loves her water, right? Her bottled water. And the thing is, I don't like the bottled water, right? Not only because it's, you know, plastic. Don't mind the dog. Like, whose dog is this? Ma'am, can you get your dog? Just call your dog over there, please. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, that's my dog, Milo. He thinks this stuff is for him when it's not. So this is how it looks here. Unless you can get a good look of it. This is it. It's for the thumbnail or something. Again, I'm excited. So this is the one. Wait, this. It's not checked off properly though. It's not checked off properly here. This says the WD-TKFS. It's not checked, but this is the TKS. We'll see. We'll see. So, I'm just going to open these things up to see what's in there. I hope it's the right one, because if not, I will be a very, very sad unboxer. Alright? So, the user manual. I'm not going to go over this. There's a very good actual setup process that Waterdrop actually has on their channel on YouTube already. So I'm just going to literally be opening this thing up to see what's in it. I couldn't find this unboxing anywhere, so I decided to make my own, right? So let's put this to the side. Alright, we have the lid, first and foremost, because it's on the top. We have the actual system itself. I swear this better be the right model. This is actually collapsed. So this smaller than I thought it would be, that's what she said. But that's a really, really good thing, because I don't want it to take up too much room in the counter. So inside was this. This is the thing that shows the levels. And you have two filters. Two black filters. Oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this has to, I think it's right here. So the two white ones are in here, because if not, I would be very, very, very sad at my great deal that I got. So this is the bottom. This is the bottom of the filtration system. This is the top of it. But styrofoam. Smells delightful. Smells like machinery. Right? So that's how you know this thing is good. So let's zoom out a bit so we can see what we got going on. So we have our water filtration. Milo. So we got this. So from there, let's open this. It better be in here. It's in here. I have faith. I'm very optimistic. If anybody knows me, I'm the opposite of pessimistic. I am optimistic. Which means it better be in here, right? If not, I'll remain pessimistic. And here they are, right? These are the white fluoride filters. And these filter 1,000 gallons per pair. So it comes in the box, and it comes wrapped in this bubble wrap. I'm making a mess for someone to clean up. And it's in this plastic. So it's really, really cool. It's cool that it's well protected. And again, there's two in here. so many gifts. Just keeps on giving for this unboxing, which I need. Okay. Not sure if y'all can see this, but this is how it would work. It says, note, this white filter must be connected with the black filter. Twisting the filter onto the plug will never make it work properly. Indeed. So this has to be used in conjunction with the black filter. So that's a really that's a good thing to know, because I was actually wanting to use the black ones by themselves and maybe the white ones by themselves, but I can't do that. So I have to use them in conjunction, as in this is kind of like this. All right. Without further ado, let's just throw these in here. So this black one goes in the top like this. Should I do a set? I would do a setup. I don't feel like doing a setup. So this, right, and then the white ones go here. After some more movement, this goes here. So this actually showed this, but I actually have on Amazon. If you want this base that I purchased, it's an extra $50 more for this. $50 for what? For this. So this is a base. I think it raises it up. I don't know. What's it, 6 inches or something? So it raises it up about a good 6 inches. So it looks cute on your actual countertop. It's non-slip, so that's cool. Oh, it goes this way. Does that look right? Yeah, it goes like this. Milo, come. Turn around. Come on, this way. Come on. Hey, this way. He's really curious what's in my hand. Come on. Turn around. Come on, over here. Let's turn around. Alright, sit. Sit. So it's not quite 1 Milo's tall. Come here. Sit. So if you have your dog, it's a little bit less than 1 dog tall. But this is going to be going on a countertop, which is about 4 feet. So it kind of like right here. So it might be about this tall, which is a lot better than I thought it would be. Alright. Alright, so now for the unboxing. To show you everything that's in it, right? So again, this is the WD-TKFS, because it comes with 2 white filters as well as 2 black filters. So we're going to zoom in on the stuff that we have here. You know, the stuff that actually comes with. So these things here are the things that go onto the filter here, and you hold it above your faucet and run water through it. So this right here is basically to channel the water through the spigot and to basically rinse them out. All right. So this is one of the cool things too. This is the one for the black one. This is one of the cool things here. Everything's stainless steel. Everything's metal. The Berkey ones are not metal. The actual spigot here is metal, but the Berkey ones is plastic. For the price, I'm like, no. So Waterdrop is actually really cool in terms of what they're offering for the price they're offering it at. So this thing right here is a tube where the water goes up. Once it's at a certain level, it'll tell you, hey, this is how much water you have. And there's a little ball. I'm sure you guys can see the ball moving. But this ball goes up, you know, due to the water level. And definitely have to clean because there's already fingerprints on it. Anyways, everything's metal, so that's really cool. You feel like you're getting a premium experience for that. Here's a little rinse tool that you would go in and tighten this up with. I'm gonna have my wife set it up tomorrow while I'm at work, so I can come on to some delicious, purified, 98% purified water. So I can't wait for that. So again, here's some of the items that no touchy. Let's put that one there. Again, you can collapse this as well to free up some space. And this is pretty much, you know, what you get from the unboxing. let's take this one out. Let's take the stuff out of the bag. I plan on keeping this, so it's like I tore it off, but again, I'm so excited. I'm just ripping everything up. So this is what you get from the unboxing, right? And you also get this. This is for the lid, because you're not just gonna take off the lid from the sides. It's gonna be like this right here. So you can take off the lid, and this thing is a fingerprint magnet. Do y'all see that? If I was to be framed by any crime, it'll be because of this. All right. So this is what you get. You get a user manual. I'm gonna read that to Milo later for a bedtime story. I know, bud. And there's also the installation instructions for the filter. So quick and easy. This is what comes into your Waterdrop WD-TKFS. A lot less tools than I thought it would be. So it's really cool. I would again definitely shop around on eBay. I bought it from eBay. Milo, bed. Good boy. So right now, I'm not sure you guys can see this. Let me have my helper zoom in. You guys see that? $239.20. So right now there's a 20% off on their store. It says 33 sold. So when I was on it, it actually said 2 sold. I was probably the third one I bought because I bought it immediately. So it's really, really cool. So right now it's $239.20 on eBay, but on Amazon, still $299. So again, the eBay one is actually, let's see if we can get there. It's called, the seller is called Water for Smile, and it says, as a water filtration solution provider who always bears social responsibility in mind, Waterdrop has officially launched Water for Smile program together with the Water Project, a nonprofit organization to help children in need in sub-Saharan Africa. So I got it from these guys. I was like, who's this sketchy person? But they're selling them brand new for 20% off, and they actually have a lot more things on sale, and there's a lot of discounts on top of it. So you can see right here, 20% off with this coupon. So you have the WTKFS, the one with the 2 filters and the stand, and below that is the one without the stand. So it's about $16 less there. Then you got one with just the black filters, no stand, $183. Again, 20% off for these. You even have the black filters with the actual stand for $199. And there's a lot more things here for 20% off. The under the counter solutions. It's really, really cool. So I recommend going to Water for Smile on eBay for your Waterdrop purchases right now, because you're gonna get a great, great deal. So that's all I have right now for this unboxing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a setup video, because again, the YouTube video that Waterdrop actually had was good enough. I may do like a 30-day. Hey, this is how it's been going on for us. Really, really good. I still need to put out my dash cam video. It's almost been a month. I haven't really had any problems. I haven't had any accidents, so I can't really say, oh, it's been great because I found this. But I did see some sketchy things that were going on on the roads that I actually saved the video, so I'll show you guys that later. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching EdDoesTechEd. This has been the Waterdrop TKFS, whatever it is, Waterdrop filtration system. I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.